Welcome to Gospel Quiz. We have 20 questions for you at the beginner level to help you scale up to the level of advanced and all the way up to an expert.
Who's the leader of the Israelites through Exodus?
Moses.
What did God speak through Moses with?
Burning bush.
Who helped Moses speak to Pharaoh?
Aaron.
Who was Moses' father-in-law?
Jethro.
What was Moses' staff turned into?
A snake.
Who was Moses' mother?
Jochebed.
What did Moses turn the Nile River into?
Blood.
Who did Moses make second in command of his army?
Joshua.
Who found Moses in the river and adopted him?
Pharaoh's daughter.
Who was Moses' sister?
Miriam.
Hit the like button if you're enjoying Gospel Quiz so far.
How many plagues did Moses place on Egypt?
Ten plagues.
What mountain did Moses receive God's law?
Mount Sinai.
What did Moses bring down from Mount Sinai?
Ten Commandments.
What was the eighth plague of Egypt?
Plague of locust.
What was the 10th plague of Egypt?
The death of the firstborn sons of Egypt.
This one will really test your knowledge, plus share with us in the comments. What was the hardest questions to answer?
How many elders did Moses appoint?
"70 elders.
How long did Israel live in the wilderness?
40 years.
What item held the 10 Commandments?
The Ark of the Covenant.
What did Israel worship while Moses was gone?
Golden calf.
What was Aaron's occupation for Israel?
Priest.
Thank you for joining us at Gospel Quiz. We hope you had fun and learned something new. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Let us know in the comments how you did and what topics you'd like to see next. Remember, the journey of faith is always better when we journey together. Keep studying the Word, and we'll see you next time.